Hi Marc, what you have in your hand?
Hey Jason, this is a Fizzimajig that I decided to build myself because I couldn't find one at a decent price.
Decent price? What is
Decent price, like...
what is the price?
First of all, let's tell them what it is. This is an AC outlet for a lighter plug on your snowmobile if you have it equipped, or your UTV or ATV. Some ATVs have it. So I built a double one for me and my daughter to use on our heated shields, or I could use it on my heated shield and heated insoles or whatever. But I wanted something like that, and I didn't want something really short, because in UTVs the plug is always far, so you bring the plug closer to you so the telephone cords don't stretch out. So this is why. So I made this one double. The coolest thing is you get this from an electronics shop, wholesale like overstocks and stuff like that. In the Montreal area, we call Addison, Madison, or Adtronic. But there's some in Ontario, there's some all over the place. They just have different names. So an electronics outlet store. And this took me about, what, 10 minutes? 10-15 minutes to build. And it cost me, with the double plug and everything, cost me $13.50. $13.50.
That's a big deal.
It's cheap, but you got to be handy. And I had to do some welding for this one. But this is what I took. And it has this plug on top at the end.
Yeah.
What I did is I cut the plug off and I put it in two pieces, cut it here and cut it here, and weld this to the same welds that's on this plug. So now I have a double wire, look, same length. This is exactly how I did it. Dirt cheap, and the connectors I'm using are screw-in type. So you see positive, negative, and it's a Phillips screwdriver, small Phillips screwdriver. So if it breaks and you have a small Phillips screwdriver in the trails, you can actually fix the connection here. Really easy to do. And it's got a fuse. So this is, $13.50 with 10, maybe if you're not used to it, 15 minutes of time. And if you want to do the single one, like you cut this thing here, I can do this in less than 2 minutes, and I have a plug ready. Either long wire or cut it shorter if I want it shorter. But this is awesome. 34 bucks or $13.50, or even better, $11.50 if you just do a single, because this little plug here is like $2. Cheap, and it works. Like I need it. I need that plug because I'm going riding tonight, and I want to see where I'm going. Bye.